The outlook for the markets in Canada for the real estate sector are actually really good. They're good because the fundamentals of the marketplace in real estate are actually very positive. We have an ongoing level of economic growth throughout Canada, and as a result of that, our employment picture is sound, and following that, real estate takes care of itself, where we have very good occupancy in commercial real estate. We have a healthy multifamily residential market, and so for all of the major asset classes in real estate, with that backdrop, accessing capital, both equity and debt, is actually very stable and positive at this time. On the debt front, we have a very healthy debt market for Canadian real estate today. Our market is dominated by proprietary lenders, on-balance sheet lenders, particularly mortgages. And the market is very strong today, where borrowers have a number of different alternatives and choices available to them. And in fact, that market is actually growing at this time, where we have a number of, let's call it, non-standard mortgage lenders developing in the markets who are accessing capital in a different way. But the debt markets in Canada are in excellent condition. In addition to that, some of our larger companies, particularly public companies, also have access to unsecured debt markets. And we have a growing number of participants who have reached a level of stability and security and safety that they can offer bond investors very, very good and competitive rates of return. With respect to equity, we have had an incredible run the last few years in accessing equity capital for the real estate sector. Since the credit crisis, I'm going to say collectively we've probably sourced close to $20 billion of equity in the public markets for the real estate sector, which is quite something. Investors have really embraced the REIT and REOC product, if you will, as a safe haven and a good place to put your capital to earn competitive rates of return for the long term. That would be both for institutional investors as well as private individuals who are seeking to earn good rates of return with more predictable financial profiles. So the equity side has been excellent.